Welcome to the wonderful world of digital media, where we dig it all. On this episode of Can You Dig It?, I'm going to show you how to calibrate an audio mixer. This process will make certain that all your audio sources come in at the same level, so that you can boost a weak signal or tone down an overdriven one with ease. So, audio mixer calibration. Can you dig it? At first glance, a mixer can look a little intimidating with all the different switches and knobs, but we're going to take this process one step at a time. Trust me, you'll have it down in no time. Before the audio signal can be calibrated, we need to turn off all gains, which are sometimes known as trims. Next, we're going to move down to the EQs, or equalizers. These need to be set to their default position. You'll either feel a little bump when you adjust the EQ, or you'll need to turn it all the way to the left in the off position. Now we'll move down to the pans. These need to be set to the 12 o'clock position, as shown here. We're going to move across the bottom of our mixer now and make sure that all the faders are turned off by sliding them to the bottom. Finally, set your mains to 0 dB, or if there are no markings on the side, just move them up about 75%, as shown here. Your board is now reset. Congrats! All your audio levels will need to come in at a consistent level so that they can be tweaked from there. To begin calibration, add an input into channel 1. We want to first set this channel's fader to 0 dB. Next, slowly adjust the gain or trim until this channel averages around 0 dB on the VU meter. After that, this channel has been calibrated. Next, you can turn this channel's fader off. Then repeat the last two steps for any other channels you may need to use. Congrats! You now know how to successfully calibrate a professional audio mixer. But before you get too proud of yourself, let's do a quick review to make sure this information sticks with you. First, we need to turn off all gains or trims. Then, reset all equalizers to their default position. Moving on, set all pans to the 12 o'clock position. Then, turn all faders completely off. Set the mains to 0 dB, and now your board is ready for calibrating levels. Plug in an input into channel 1. Set that channel's fader to 0 dB. Slowly adjust your gain or trim until you average 0 dB on the VU meter. Then repeat those last two steps for any additional channels you need, and you're good to go. Be sure to watch the other videos in my Can You Dig It series, like color grading, how to use a DSLR, and 3-point lighting, to expand your knowledge of digital media. Thank you for watching.